Let's walk through the process of measuring for composite exterior window shutters. Measuring requires minimal time and basic equipment, including a steel tape measure, sturdy ladder, and notepad and pencil to record your measurements. Composite shutters are manufactured from wood fibers pressed with marine-grade resins. The material is virtually impervious to moisture for an extended life expectancy. They are crafted with detail on just one side and can only be installed in a fixed position. Select from multiple styles in an unlimited range of paint colors, constructed to the 1/4 inch in both width and height. Measure the window width from the far left of the trim to the same point on the opposite side. Divide that measurement by 2 for the approximate shutter width. Ideally, the width of fixed exterior shutters should equal half of the window to replicate the appearance of operable shutters. Limitations of the mounting surface may necessitate ordering a slightly smaller size than ideal. Occasionally, an obstacle can prevent shutters from being used on both sides of the window. It's perfectly acceptable to use a full-width shutter installed on just one side of the window. Wide windows require appropriately sized shutters, which in concept should also match the window width. Some windows are simply too wide to conform to standard guidelines and can't accommodate full-width shutters. Don't arbitrarily choose a width, but attempt to realistically stay within the easily divisible proportions of the window. Historically, shutter heights have aligned with the window opening. This approach can cause the shutters to appear short in comparison. In the modern era, shutters installed purely for aesthetics are more frequently made to the same height as the window casing to give more symmetry to the presentation. Select the dimension that best reflects the character of your windows. For this installation, we have chosen to align the shutter with the top and bottom of the molding. Composite shutters can be made with louvers or a solid panel area that extends from the top rail down to the bottom rail. A divider rail separates the area into top and bottom sections. Specify the division point for the divider rail by providing the measurement from the bottom of the shutter to the desired center of the divider. Stationary composite shutters install with polycarbonate V-shaped fixed mounting brackets. One side attaches to the building with long stainless steel screws. Shorter screws secure the shutter in place. Record all dimensions. Note that composite shutters are sold individually, so you can order just one if necessary. Label each with a window location. Measure all windows to assure accuracy, and don't assume similar windows are the exact same size. This is also a great time to select the shutter finish color, matching to the trim paint or the front door. Composite shutters are sold unfinished or factory painted. Choose from standard colors listed online or provide your own custom color. Once your composite shutters are delivered, check out our installation video for helpful tips to get your shutters up safely and efficiently. Visit us at ShutterLand.com for shutter specifications, pricing, and ordering.